As Ukraine's drone army cleans the battlefield of all Russian equipment, not as common of a target is a defensive position of Russia with Kornet anti-tank weapon system. As Russia had placed a system on a hill with a long view range, this Ukrainian drone operator first took out a stockpile of Kornet missile, but later showed an amazing precision skill when hitting a loaded system from dozens of meters up, making sure more of Ukraine's equipment is left for tomorrow, but leaves less for Russia, exchanging 2 cheap grenades against multiple much more expensive Kornet missile, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.